N factor for reactants or products in a chemical reaction or in a redox reaction. We know where do we use N factor to calculate equivalent mass. Mass divided by N factor. Okay. How to calculate the N factor? First, see the number of electron change, or you can say difference in oxidation state. First, calculate the difference in oxidation state. First, calculate the difference in oxidation state. Calculate the difference in oxidation state. Multiply that difference with number of atoms in the compound. In the compound. No, Aradhya bhai.
So no, because in one book I saw this as the last topic.
No, it is not there in the book only. N factor.
So not NCRT, sir. So another book.
Okay, so it can be present anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe they have kept this topic on the last. Okay. Because we have not done the balancing also till now. Any doubt in these 2 points? How much difference do we have in oxidation state? How much difference do we have? Five. How many Mn atom do we have? One. N factor of MnO4 minus is 5. Understood? Understood?
So can you please explain it again? I joined just now.
See, first we calculate the oxidation state on both the cases. Then we calculate the difference in oxidation state. That is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Multiply that 5 number with the number of central atom present. Here there is only one Mn atom, so it becomes 5 only.
Okay, sir.
What is the N factor here? N factor here. N factor here. Davis, difference is 3. Difference is 3. But Cr2072 minus has 2 Cr atom. So it will be 6. Okay, Davis. Any doubt in this? What about this? N factor of this? N factor of I2? N factor of I2? Done? Difference is 1. Difference is 1. Number of atom is 2. As you can see, there are 2 iodine atoms. So N factor will be 2. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? N factor of Cl2O3? Zero to plus 5. So difference is 5. Number of atom is 2. So N factor is 10. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? All of you understood the n factor? It can be asked to calculate the equivalent mass. Any doubt in this? Please tell.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So that mass will be of central atom only, no?
No, the whole compound.
Okay, sir.
What will be the n factor here? Difference. Number of atom. So n factor 2. Equivalent mass m by 2. Understood? N factor. Aditya, we are talking about the magnitude. Bigger minus smaller. N factor will always be a positive value. Four. 4 Davis. Okay, this is coming out to be 6 4 2. ठीक है. Difference is 4. This will be 8. This will be 8. Yeah. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
For disproportionation reaction, we will calculate n factor for oxidation also, for reduction also, and this formula will apply. For example, do we have oxidation reduction both? Oxidation and reduction. Difference is 1, number of atom is 1. Difference is 1, number of atom is 1. Understood? Understood? For disproportionation reaction,
So can you scroll up a bit?
try this.
Done, sir. Thank you.
This is reduction. This is oxidation. N factor is difference, number of atom, so it is 2 for reduction. Any doubt in this? For reduction, N factor is 2. For oxidation, difference is 5. Number of atom is 2. N factor is 10. दोनों n factor मिल गए. Now 1 upon n factor is equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 10. Twelve by 20, 3 by 5, n factor will be 5 by 3, equivalent mass 3m by 5. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
So please zoom out.
Done?
Done, sir.
Calculate the equivalent mass of H2O2. Equivalent mass of H2O2. Let it be, na? We do not want the balance equation. Aditya, we have not done balancing till now. N factor is not related to a balanced chemical equation. Balancing I'll do after this. Even if you do balancing, it won't matter. So reduction. Difference is how much? Difference is 1, atom is 2. So N factor is 2. Oxidation. Difference is 1. Atom is 2. N factor is 2.
So could you please scroll up? Thank you, sir.
Done? Any doubt in this? All of you understood n factor equivalent mass? All of you understood n factor equivalent mass?
Can you scroll up a bit? Done, sir. Thank you.
Balancing of redox reaction. Balancing of redox reaction. Rules to balance the redox reaction. First, equalize the number of central atom. तो इससे भी पहले लिख लो. Divide the reaction into reduction and oxidation, two half reactions. Divide the redox reaction into two halves, oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay. Equalize the number of central atom. First, equalize the charge on central atom by adding electrons to that side where charge is more. Any doubt in this? At last, balance hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is balanced by putting water on deficient side. Deficient side. What is deficient side? Where less number of oxygen is present. Understood? Where less number of oxygen is present, that is deficient side. Add hydrogen on other side to balance. Add H plus on other side to balance total hydrogen. Total hydrogen. Any doubt in this? Please copy it fast. Done. Let's see an example now. If we have MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus, how do we balance this? How do we balance this? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
So how do we balance this? 1 Mn atom, 1 Mn atom. Plus 7 charge, plus 2 charge. Which side we have more charge, left or right? Which side we have more charge, left or right? Left. So add 5 electrons to the left side. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
So can you explain it again, please?
Here we have 1 Mn atom. Here we have 1 Mn atom. Here we have plus 7 charge. Here we have plus 2 charge. The difference is of 5. So add 5 electrons to left hand side. Aditya, what do you mean by that? To balance the charge, we can add electrons only. No, in the main reaction, there won't be electrons only. In the main reaction, we will cancel out all the electrons. And change in reaction means change in reactant or product, not only the electrons. Electron does not changes the reaction. Any doubt till here? Because here we have plus charge of 7. Difference is plus 2. So plus 7 to plus 2. 5 changes there. Add 5 electrons. Okay. How many oxygen this side? 4. And how many oxygen this side? 0. So add 4 water. Add 4 water. So oxygen get balanced. Now on the right hand side we have 8 hydrogen. On the left hand side we have 0 hydrogen. So add 8 hydrogens this side. That is it. Understood? Any doubt in this? What you didn't understand, Aditya? First see how many central atom do we have. Then see the charges what are present on them. Where you have more charges, put difference. Whatever the difference is there, put that much electrons on the rich side. Then try to balance the oxygen atom. For 4 oxygen, put 4 water. When you put 4 water, there will be additional 8 hydrogens. Balance those 8 hydrogens with the 8H plus. What you are not getting in this? Aditya, we are not adding up the electrons. We are just trying to balance the reaction, balance the charge. When you will see the main reaction, there will not be electrons only. We do not have to add electrons to the reaction. It is just like the way of balancing the reaction. These are the particular rules. If you see the main reaction, you won't see any electron. These are the rules we have to follow. At last, electrons will get cancelled out. Four rules are there. We have to follow those 4 rules. We will come to know. पहले ये वाला हो जाए ना, उसके बाद I'll give you the example of main reaction also. All of you understood this?
Sir, please explain again.
What?
Please explain again.
First, see, we have MnO4 minus, and here we have Mn2 plus. Here oxidation state is plus 7. Here it is plus 2. Difference is 5. So add 5 electrons to that side where we have lesser number of, we have more charge. Here we have 4 oxygen. Right hand side there is no oxygen. To balance oxygen, we put water. For 1 oxygen, 1 water. For 4 oxygen, 4 water. Oxygen is balanced. Now right hand side we have 8 hydrogen. Left hand side we do not have hydrogen. To put 8H plus. Balanced equation.
Okay, sir.
How do we balance this? First, balance the number of atoms. Then calculate the charge. Left hand side charge is 0. Right hand side charge is 10. So add 10 electrons. Any doubt till here?
So how the 10 came?
Left hand side, how much charge do we have?
0, sir.
0. Right hand side charge is plus 5. And we have 2 times that molecule.
Okay.
Where we have more charge, put 10 electrons that side only. Now balance the oxygen. How many oxygen we have to balance? 6 oxygen. For 6 oxygen, 6 water. For 6 oxygen, 6 water. For 6 water, there will be 12 H plus. Any doubt in this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So please explain it again.
This side we have charge of 0. This side we have charge of plus 5. We have
Yes, sir.
First we have to balance the number of atoms. Here we have 2 Cl atom. Here we had 1 Cl atom. So we multiplied 2 with this ClO4 minus. Main atoms become equal. 2 atom and 2 atom. Charge was 0 this side and plus 5 this side. Total charge becomes 10. Here total charge is plus 10. Here total charge is 0. To balance plus 10, we have to put 10 electrons on the right hand side. So charge got balanced. On the right hand side, we have 6 hydrogens. On the left hand side, we do not have on the right hand side, we have 6 oxygens. Left hand side, we do not have oxygens. So it is 6 water. For 6 water, there are 12 hydrogens. So put 12 hydrogens. That's it.
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
How to balance this? How to balance this? Here we have 2 iodine atom. Put 2 here. Charge is 0 and +1. Total charge right hand side is +2. So add 2 electrons. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Here we have 2 oxygen. So add 2 water this side. Because of 2 water, add 4H plus on the right hand side. Understood? Understood? Aditya, there is a particular rule for the balancing of this reaction. These are the rules that we are following. If we do not follow a particular rule, everyone will get different answers. Balancing of complete reaction. Okay. Balancing of complete reaction. Water is a neutral compound. That is also one of the reason. But we just have to think that it is a rule. And on the basis of the rules given, we have to follow. Balancing of complete reaction. For example, you are given like this. For example, you are given like this. You have to balance this equation. You will make 2 half reactions. This and this. You will balance them separately. 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 Can you balance the 2 equations? Can you balance the two equations? One iron, plus 2 charge, plus 3 charge. And this thing we have already done. This thing we have already done. I already given you all these things. Okay, this balancing we have already done. Now we have to add these two equations. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Now we have to balance the two equations. Make the number of electrons same. Make the number of electrons same. When number of electrons are same, they get cancelled out. When number of electrons are same, they get cancelled out. And the main equation becomes this. Make number of electrons same and add the two equations. 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 Make number of electrons same and add the two equations. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
So can you scroll up to the question that make an equation? Yeah, done, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it should be 5Fe2 plus, right? Sir, in the reactant side.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Understood? Try this. First, you have to segregate the two. First, you have to segregate the two. C2O42 minus get converted to CO2. Balance the number of carbon atoms. Find out the charge difference. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Oxygen atom is already same. Oxygen atom is already same. In
So
case
can
of
you
iodine, what?
can you explain that carbon dioxide one?
What you didn't get in this? Tell me first.
So how you got the two electrons? That thing.
What charge do we have left hand side? How much charge do we have on the left hand side?
So +6.
And on the right hand side?
Yeah, okay, sir, got it. Because of the two molecules. Okay.
So now we can add the two equations. Aditya, these are the main equations as you were talking about. Main equations will not have the electrons. Main equations will not have the electrons. Understood? Any doubt in this?
Sir, please follow. Done, sir.
So can you scroll up? Done, sir.
Balance this one. Done? Make the two pairs first. Balance the number of atoms. Then balance the charge. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? How much charge we have on the right hand side, Aditya? Right hand side, how much charge do we have? Aditya, how much charge do we have right hand side? 6. How much charge do we have on the left hand side? 1 atom has plus 6 charge. Aditya, 1 atom has plus 6 charge. X is coming out to be plus 6. For 2 atom it will be 12 plus 12. For 2 atom it will be plus 12. So plus 12 minus 6, 6 electrons. H plus. This is balanced.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the charges are on the central atom only, no?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This will be the answer. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So you're multiplying 3 by the second equation only, no?
Yes. Then only it will become 6 and 6 and 6 will cancel out.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
So could you please explain the question? I got disconnected for 5 minutes.
What you want me to explain in this?
So the chromium part.
Chromium power or chromium part?
So no, the chromium equation.
What is the oxidation state of chromium?
So 6 plus 6.
Plus 6. For 2 atoms it will be plus 12.
Yes, sir.
And on the right hand side it is plus 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how much difference do we have?
So 6 electrons.
So we have added 6 electrons on the side where we had more charge. How much oxygen do we have? In Cr2O72 minus
7.
7. On the right hand side, how many oxygen we had?
0.
0. So we added 7 water to that side only. Because of that 7 water, there are extra 14H plus.
Yes, sir.
So we have added 14H plus on the left hand side.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, on balancing of redoxation in acidic or alkaline or basic medium. In acidic medium, oxygen is balanced by water. In basic medium, oxygen is balanced by OH minus. Understood? Hop it fast. So what you can do basically is, you can remember this, but for the solving purposes, solving purposes, you remember only one of them, that is acidic medium. At last, neutralize all H plus by adding OH minus ion on both sides. Understood? So we will not do two methods. We will remember only one method, that is the acidic medium method. At last, whatever H plus we are left with, we will add OH minus equal number on both the sides and neutralize those H plus. Okay. Okay. Understood this thing? एक करके देखते हैं. Let it be in basic medium. What we'll do, we will balance it in acidic medium only first. Balance it in acidic medium only first. +7 and +4. Add 3 electrons this side. 4 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So add 2 water. And 4H plus. Any doubt in this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So 2 water should be added in product side, right?
Yes. Very good. Understood till here? Now to neutralize H plus, we add OH minus. Add 4 OH minus ions both sides. Add 4 OH minus ions on both sides. We know 1H plus 1 OH minus gives 1 water. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
So can you explain it again?
See, first we have balanced the equation in acid medium till here. Any doubt till here? This is the same as that we have done in acidic medium. Are you getting till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we said, to convert the acidic medium into basic medium, add equal number of OH minus ions on both the sides. So we had 4H plus. We have added 4OH minus both the sides. 4OH minus both the sides. 1H plus 1OH minus gives 1 water. So 4H plus 4OH minus will give 4 water. So you will get 4 water. This will remain as it is.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aditya, we have not added the next equation till now. We have not added the other equation till now. At last, 4 water will get cancelled by 2 water. At last, 4 water will get cancelled by 2 water. At last, 4 water will get cancelled by 2 water. Any doubt to anyone in this? First, balance in acidic medium. Then add OH minus ions on both the sides. Understood. Understood.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Can we balance this? Basic medium. First do in acidic medium only. Balance the number of atom. Calculate the charge. Balance the charge. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Add hydrogen, sorry, add water. So we have to add 12H plus this side. Now what do we do after this? Add 12 minus OH minus ions both the sides. 12H plus and 12 OH minus will give 12 water. Six water will get cancelled out. Any doubt till here? Any
No,
doubt
sir.
till here? Please copy it fast. Please copy it fast. Done? All of you. So today we do this much only, rest we'll do the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.